Why is the sky blue? If you ever wanted an easy answer to this question, then this is the video for you. If you watch the video on what is light, you'll know light is just a form of energy, which originates in this context from the sun. When it gets to our eyes, we can detect just a small fraction of the energy in the form of visible light. When we look at the light from the sun, it appears white to us, but it's actually made up of all of the colours of the rainbow. Now, as we discussed in the light video, light travels to us in waves. Some waves, like red and orange, travel in long, lazy waves. Blue waves, however, are short and choppy. All light travels in straight lines unless something gets in the way. And there are three things that can happen when something does get in the way of light. The light can be reflected, and that's what happens when we look at ourselves in the mirror. It can be bent, and that's what happens, for instance, when we look at a straw standing in a glass of water. And finally, it can be scattered, and that's what happens when light hits our atmosphere. When the sunlight does hit our atmosphere, it is scattered by all the gases and particles there. Since blue light travels as shorter, smaller waves, it gets scattered more than all the other colours, and hence we see a blue sky most of the time. Earlier, I said that when we look at the sun, we see it as white. But why then do we see it as yellow or red as it gets closer to the horizon? For example, with a sunset or even a sunrise. Well, the answer is that when the sun is low on the horizon, it has to pass through more of the atmosphere. And when that happens, the blue light is scattered even more, and that allows some of that red and yellow light to be detected by our eyes. And that is why, most of the time, the sky is blue. I hope you enjoyed this video, and come back and join me soon for another episode of 5Ws and 1H. Please click subscribe below to ensure you don't miss an episode, and please feel free to leave a comment, topic suggestion or question below. You can always email me at 5wsand1h@gmail.com. Bye bye for now.